Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on PlayStation. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Just choose your country or region and then you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Now you will find the create an account button. So go ahead and click on it. After clicking on this option, you will now see the create button. After clicking on this, just choose your country or region and then select your desired language. Then click on the next button and then enter your date of birth. Click on next once again and you will now be asked to enter your email address and your password. Type in your desired email address and then enter your desired password for your account. Then type it in once again for confirmation and then click on next. You will now be asked to verify your account. Now just enter your online ID that you wish to set up for your account and then enter your first and your last name. Finally click on next and now you can choose to receive email as well as console notifications if you wish to do so. Finally click on agree and create account and then click on OK when you see the check mark. Now one last step that you will need to take is to verify your email address. So check in within your inbox and you will find an email from Sony. Click on the verify now button and after clicking on this, your email address will be verified. You can click on already verified if you see this screen. And now your PlayStation account is ready to be used. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on PlayStation. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.